Assalamu alaikum. Once again, welcome to all my friends. You're watching Travel with Hadi. Hi guys, today's video is all about cherry blossom. If you guys wish to visit or wanted to watch beautiful spots in Canada, especially in Vancouver, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. This beautiful spot is on West 8th Avenue at Heather. Today's video I filmed at many different spots. Therefore, it's going to be very interesting and I request you to watch till end. This is one of my favorite spots in Vancouver. So the cherry blossom or sakura is the flower of trees in Prunus subgenus Rose. Sakura usually refers to the flowers of ornamental cherry trees. Hey guys, some of the spots I found tulip and it looked beautiful. That's why I also filmed those up for you. Such trees not grown for their fruits. Cherry blossom have been described as having a vanilla-like smell. So guys, now I am across the street. You can see which is another beautiful spot. Actually, this is the four-way roads and you can enjoy the cherry blossom on all four sides. Wild species of cherry tree are widely distributed, mainly in northern Hampshire. They are common in East Asia, especially in Japan. So guys, now we are at another beautiful location. End of this street is a relay park. In Japan, cherry blossom have been cultivated, producing many varieties. The Japanese word sakura can mean either the trees or its flower. The cherry blossom is considered the national flower of Japan and is central to the custom of hinami. Sakura trees are often called Japanese cherry in English. The cultivation of ornamental cherry trees began to spread in Europe and the United States in the early 20th century. Particularly after Japan presented tree to the United States. As a token of friendship in 1912. British plant collector Collingwood Ingram conducted important studies of Japanese trees after First World War. You can see today is a beautiful weather and everybody is enjoying outside. Many cherry trees and cultivars bloom between March and April in the northern Hampshire. Wild cherry trees, even if they are the same species, differ genetically from one individual to another. Hey guys, now I am at Mount Pleasant. Let's continue the history of cherry blossom. Even if they are planted in the same area, there is some variation in the time when they reach full bloom. In contrast, cultivars are clone propagated by grafting or cutting. So each tree of the same cultivar is planted. In the same area will come into full bloom. All at once due to their genetic similarity. Some wild species such as 𝐒𝐔𝐿 and the cultivars developed from them are in full bloom before the leaves open. Yoshino cherry became popular for cherry blossom viewing. Hey guys, now I am at Fraser Street. Because of these characteristics of simultaneously flowering and blooming before the leaves open. It also bears many flowers and grows into a large tree. Many cultivars of the Sato Sakura group which were developed from complex interspecific hybrid based on Oshima cherry are often used for ornamental purposes. They generally reach full bloom a few days. To 2 weeks after Yoshino cherry does. In the present day, ornamental cherry blossom trees are distributed and cultivated worldwide. While flowering cherry trees were historically present in Europe, North America, Philippines, and China. The practice of cultivating ornamental cherry trees was centered in Japan. And many of the cultivars planted worldwide. Such as that of Pronus eudonosus have been developed from Japanese hybrid. The global distribution of ornamental cherry trees along with flower viewing festivals or hinami largely started in the early 20th century, often as gift from Japan. However, some regions have historically cultivated their own native species of flowering cherry trees. A notable variety of which is the Himalayan wild cherry tree. Japan has a wide variety of cherry trees, including hundreds of cultivars. By one classification method, there are more than 600 cultivars in Japan, while the Tokyo Shimbun claims that there are 800. Cherry blossoms are a frequent topic in waka composition. Where they commonly symbolize impermanence. Hey guys, now I'm at East 49 close to Fraser. Which is another beautiful spot, and I believe you guys are enjoying this video. Let's continue our history about cherry blossom. Due to their characteristics of blooming en masse, cherry blossoms and are considered an enduring metaphor for the ephemeral nature of life. Cherry blossom frequently appear in Japanese art. Manga, anime, and film, as well as stage set design for musical performances. And now I am at Roundhouse Community Arts and Recreation Center, which is on Mew Street. And here you can see the small patch of tulip flowers. And finally, I'm reached at last destination, which is Winona Park. There is at least one popular folk song originally meant for the shakuhachi bamboo flute. Titled Sakura, in addition to several later pop songs bearing the name. The flower is also used on all manner of historical and contemporary consumer goods, including kimonos, stationery, and dishware. The Sakura-kai or Cherry Blossom Society was the name chosen by young officers within the Imperial Japanese Army. In September 1930, for their secret society established to recognize the state along totalitarian militaristic lines via military coup. During World War II, cherry blossom were used as a symbol to motivate the Japanese people and stoke nationalism and militarism. The Japanese proverb "Hana wa sakuragi, hito wa bushi," the best blossom is the cherry blossom, the best man is a warrior. Was evoked in the Imperial Japanese Army as a motivation during the war. Even before the war, cherry blossoms were used in propaganda to inspire the Japanese spirit, as in the Song of Young Japan. Exalted in warriors who were ready like the myriad cherry blossom to scatter. The Japanese government encouraged the people to believe that the souls of downed warriors were incarnated in the blossoms. Cherry blossoms have been used symbolically in Japanese sports. The Japan national rugby union team has used the flower as an emblem on its uniform. Since the team's first international matches in the 1930s depicted as a bird half open and full bloom. The team is known as the Brave Blossoms. And has had their current logo since 1952. The cherry blossom is also seen in the logo of the Japan Cricket Association. And the Japan national American football team. Cherry blossoms are a prevalent symbol in irozumi, the traditional art of Japanese tattoos. In this art form, cherry blossoms are often combined with other classic Japanese symbols like koi fish, dragons, or tigers. The cherry blossom remains symbolic today. It was used for the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics mascot Someti. It is also a common way to indicate the start of spring. Such as in the Animal Crossing series of video games, where many of the game trees are flowering cherries. So guys, this is the sub road close to Winona Park. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kindly give me your valuable feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon with another amazing video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and have a good day.